So that's it, guys. We're about to set off. Thanks for checking in. We have the Prestige 2017 500. Okay, we're looking at about 52 feet in length overall, called Whiskey and Waves. It's currently here in Aventura area, and beautiful, peaceful disembarking location. So, you know, as you can see, I speak with obviously a softer tone. But anyway, thanks for checking in, guys. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you like this beautiful yacht, all my information down below if you want to charter it. And always charter safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.